Hey guys, I just picked up this new scope for my Smith & Wesson M&P 15. Um, I just had to shoot a video of this real quick. This is the Monstrum Panzer AO 3-9, and I had a red dot on this, and I don't really care for red dots. I grew up using scopes, and another thing that I used to have a long time ago was reticles that glowed. And I went out looking to see if I could find one that I liked for this, and I just got it in. Just got it mounted. It came with the mount, and guys, the illuminated reticle is absolutely amazing. Really pleased with the optics on this. I mean, super clear. I was absolutely amazed. So you might want to pick one of these up. Very reasonable priced. Guys, you won't be sorry.